back to my channel once again. This is Simran, and if you are seeing me for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and also press the little bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload the video. So this look is for the first day of the college. You can for sure carry it for the everyday look or the office look because it's very basic and very natural and it can go easily with any attire. You can always change the products and alter it according to your choices. So without further ado, let's get started. For starting off, the first thing which we need to do, that we need to tie our hairs in the back so that it does not disturb us while we are doing makeup like I did. For priming my face, I'll be using this aloe vera gel from Kara. So I told you I am going to keep this makeup look very budget friendly and things which are easily available to us right now in quarantine. So like that, I'm just using this aloe vera gel because it's too hot, so it will keep my face very cool and relaxed all the day. For a base, you can use either foundation or this BB cream. I'm going with BB cream because it's more sheerer, though you can go for sheer foundation as well. So I'll be using 2 pumps of Pond's BB cream. As you can see, this is almost finished. I use it so much. I really love using it because it does not make my face look cakey at the end of the day. So I'm applying it very generously all over my face with my fingers, and I'm concentrating on the region where I have little or less dark spots, so like so. And guys, do not forget your ear, your neck region, your shoulder region, or whatever region which is visible, like I am doing in this video. And I want to clarify, none of my products is sponsored. Whatever is there, I bought it from my own money, to clarify the doubts. Yeah, and all the products links are in description box. If you want to check them out, you can check them out. So I'm done with my BB cream, and I'll be using this compact radiance from Lakme because this is very easily available and very cost friendly, and it does not make your face look very powdery because I have a dry skin. So I really need to choose my compact, like which compact should I use so that it does not leave any flakes. For my face blush and highlighting, I'll be using this LA Girl Glam palette, and I'll be mixing these light blush and dark blush to make my blush. And I'll be applying it on my cheeks and my bridge of the nose so that my makeup looks natural and fresh all day, like so. And for highlighting, I'll be using this goldenish shade throughout my cheekbones, my bridge of my nose, on the top of my lips and my chin, so that my makeup looks little dewy and my skin looks healthy. And for eyeshadow, I'll be using this Maybelline Nudes palette. This was my first palette which I bought from my money, so this is really special. For eyeshadow, I'm not doing much. I'll be just using dark brown shade to highlight my upper eyelid, just to contour that region and to give little effect to my eyes so that it does not look dull in the end of the day. And I'll be using this light shimmery shade to do inner corner of my eyes, like so. And also I'll be highlighting my eyebrows with that same shimmery shade which I used for my inner corners. And I'll be using this copperish shade on the top, shimmery copperish shade on top of my eyelid, so that it gives little shiny effect and at the same time it does not look over the top. For eyebrows, I'll be using this dark gray this thing powder because I don't use black for eyebrows because it looks very artificial. So whenever also you use for eyebrows, or you are buying eyebrow pencil or something like that, just go for brown or gray. For eyeliner, I'll be using Lakme Insta Liner. I love this liner because it's very easy peasy to use and it's very cost friendly at the same time, and it does not dries off your in the bottle, so you can use this for as long as you want unless and until it's expired, surely.
So for eyeliner, I'll be applying starting from my center of my eyes and then extending into the outer corner, and very generously I'll be going towards the inner corner, and the same thing I'll be doing with my second eye as well. Just I'm going for just very thin liner with little bit of wing, nothing very fancy. So you can use this look for your Zoom classes, Zoom meeting, online office meetings or classes, or daily makeup if you want to get ready in this quarantine and pamper yourself. I did my makeup look in around 10 minutes, so it's that easy, guys. And after doing makeup and all, you really feel happy and pumped up for the day. So I really like doing prepping myself up daily. Yeah, that's my thing. So generally I'm not a very big fan of kajal, but I'll be using this Lakme Iconic Kajal for the outer corner of my eyes to the center. I'm not going to the inner corner of my eyes. If you leave the inner corner, it will make your eyes look little bigger and enhance your eyes. And for lipstick, I'm using this Maybelline Matte Ink Super Stay lipstick in the shade 245 Seeker. Again, all the products link are in description box below. I use these. This is kind of burnt orangey shade. It really goes with me. It looks very official as it's matte, and it does not looks very gaudy at the same time. I really love using this shade in almost all my daily occasions.
So that's all in my today's video. I hope you like this video. Do let me know in the comment section below. Till then, see you in my next video. Bye. Take care.